Hello everyone, this is Oishi and you are watching Oscar. This week was so blessing for us. I know you don't understand what's going on, but let me break it to you. Since the beginning, we were shooting on mobile phone, and to uplift the quality of our videos, Smith has officially gifted us a camera. The model is Nikon Z30. As you can see, I was unboxing, but I was told that the cutter was quite sharp, so I was unable to cut it by myself. Lastly, uncle helped me and the box finally opened. Polymam Victor Uniform 3 Zulu Hotel mic is with us. This is the charging cable and manual. This is the strap. This is the default lens 1650. And finally, this is the body of Nikon Z30. This is 64 GB high-speed card and a waterproof bag from Wildcraft. We did try shooting there, but surrounding noises made it difficult. This was the longest wait of my life, the camera setting. I was just waiting for its finished body, and I had been assured of a workshop to learn better shooting by Uncle. So stay updated for more content with this new camera.